Hi everyone, Cylon ASMR here, and today I will be making the second part of my 500 subscribers special. At current count I have 522 subscribers, so it keeps going up every day, and I would like to thank each and every one of you. Today I will be making a sounds selection video where I will be doing some close-up whispering, and I will be making sounds with this leather jacket which was requested, and in its pockets I have some leather gloves, so I'll be kind of playing with those close to the camera as well. And I have some wooden sounds for you guys today and some page flipping. I just threw those in there because I thought they were nice. So before we get started, I would like to make sort of an honorable mention to an ASMR artist called Gentle ASMR. She's a subscriber of mine. She's very sweet. She's left me several encouraging comments, and she makes amazing videos. And I'm listening to her right now. It's very relaxing. So, without further ado, we'll get started. So the first thing I'm going to be demonstrating or making sounds with, other than this jacket, is a wooden mask that I received in South Africa. So I'll show you it, and I'll do some sounds with it. Some gentle or softly spoken close-ups, and some whispered close-ups as well. So, this is the mask that I got from South Africa. We've been to Johannesburg and Pretoria and Cape Town, as well as Kruger National Park. In some of my videos I'm wearing a Springboks t-shirt. I got that in South Africa as well. It makes very lovely noises when you scratch it. And the detail is exquisite. It's a kind of, on the camera it might look black, but in fact, it's a dark brown. And it's handmade. And there are some things that will give it away that it's handmade. And those are some little imperfections in it, which I think add character. Like, on the corner of this eye you can see a little red paint blot. And then some of the paint has leaked. But that's okay. This side is a very soft wood. And the carving on here is nice as well, this little X shaped pattern. So this is it. It's a fairly big mask. So there was that. The next little trigger that I'm going to share with you guys is page flipping. And I have some college textbooks that I thought would be perfect for this. This is my Dinosaur Odyssey textbook. And these are some illustrations of some meat-eating dinosaur skulls called theropods. And I'll read their names to you and do some whispering. I'll show you the pictures. Coelophysis. Carnotaurus. Allosaurus. That's Allosaurus. Suchomimus. And then the two most famous dinosaurs are on the bottom. This is Velociraptor. And this is a Tyrannosaurus. And on the front is a Ceratopsian. Now, I took a class called World of Dinosaurs. And this is what this was one of the required textbooks. I have another one, which my professor actually authored. Which is this one. It's got a theropod foot or feet on it. And this class doesn't have anything to do with my major. This was to fill a gen ed requirement for biology. And Utah is a state that's very rich in dinosaur fossils. And we have all the big dinosaurs here, Tyrannosaurus Rex, all that good stuff. And Utah raptor, of course. And I thought it would be a good class to take for a gen ed because it's fun. We've got to go on a few field trips to Dinosaur National Monument in Vernal and things like that. And It's a very interesting class as well. My professor is well known for his puns, and I just realized they worked their way into this book. Chapter 1 is to catch dinosaur. And that is an Allosaurus, I think. See if we can find part 1. Here's some maps of what the world looked like back then. When I was little, I was also very fascinated with dinosaurs, and I thought that this would be a good opportunity to expand my interest in that. And lastly, I will be doing some up-close whispering with the sounds of some leather gloves. These came with my jacket. I hope you've enjoyed these sounds. Hopefully have the last and third part of this special up shortly. And I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.